From the minute I opened my eyes until I got to close them, I always felt like I was the plan maker of the family. If I could afford it or not, if I had the time or not, a plan needed to be made. To this day, I don't know how I was able to do that because I was stuck in a 50-hour grind. I'm a mom of 2 kids. I'm tired. I'm burned out. I'm freaking frustrated. Just limited on everything. Money, time, you name it. And yet, I need to make a plan. So if you can resonate with this, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I started looking on how can I supplement my income around my 9-to-5 job and just start living a life that I didn't have to feel disappointed in myself. And when a plan needed to be made, I would be able to do it because I have the financial means to do it. So this is when I found this program that I could literally just follow step by step. Didn't need any kind of prior experience, didn't need any kind of followings or tech savvy skills or pay any monthly fees, but all I had to do was literally just follow a simple to follow proven blueprint that showed me how to do digital marketing and how I could start making that predictable stream of income in US dollars around my kids, around my 9-to-5 job, now allowing me to only work 20 hours a week, but actually being able to buy what I want to buy and provide in my family's needs. So if you're struggling and you're the plan maker of your family and you've got no plan, then drop a yes in my comments because I'm going to get you this blueprint details.